I have a lovely niece who's afraid you'll find something scandalous, but actually, I'm afraid you won't.
Why do you think your mother never told you her own father's name?
I don't know.
Well, I have an idea. Chris, that is Joseph Egan. That's his mugshot.
Ah. He looks like a tough customer.
Hey, you see your mom in that face?
I do. The eyes and something about the mouth. Grandpa.
What do you have, spies working for you? How did you find this?
You are the product of the scandal.
I know.
You are the end result.
Isn't that nuts?
No. The chief and determining cause of his death was gunshot wounds of neck. Well, ain't there a skeleton in my closet, huh?
What? How do you know that?
Has your family ever sitting around in
Swept
Seder?
this under the rug.
This is not
We
a
did not
conversation.
talk about this scandal.
Date of birth, March 16th, 1911. Name of child, Regina. Mother, Sarah Golda Superfine.
Right. That is your grandmother, Sarah, giving birth to her daughter, Regina.
Okay, I have no Aunt Regina.
You don't have an Aunt Regina?
No.
Wow, so you think we made a mistake?
No, I don't think you made a mistake. I think she must have left somebody there, or maybe she died.
That's your mother's name. Your mother's name was Regina.
Oh my God! You're kidding!
Well done. You found a scandal. I'm so glad.
Lilias Whiteman, that would be my great-great-great-grandmother, 41 years of age and in receipt of said theft. So she was handling stolen goods.
I knew someone had to be crazy in our family. It's kind of dramatic, though. It sounds like a movie scene I'd write.
John S. Worrell is charged with fornication.
A murderer escaped. He had been very heavily ironed by the sheriff, but these he contrived to saw off with a case knife.
Your ancestor escaped.
Man, my ancestors be doing real stuff, man.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.